Hey guys, so we're going to be talking about backpacking gear. This is a basic list of what you'll need when you go backpacking. So we're going to start off with the tent. You can always start with a small Walmart tent. These are a bit heavier, but they do get the job done when you actually need it. And then you can move on to a backpacking tent. For kitchen, you're going to need something to heat up your water. This, for example, is a individual burner, and this is a jet boil that has everything inside of it. Much more expensive, but it is worth it. You can start off with one of these from Big 5. It has a burner and the fuel inside of it. For water filtration, you do have different options as well. You also have the food. A lot of the food that we recommend is also backpacking food, mainly because it's dry and it's lightweight. You do have a water bladder where you can also drink water out of. We do have these plastic utensils or these metal ones, but we definitely recommend these plastic utensils because they're much lighter than the metal ones. Water bottle in case you want to drink more water or in case you need to collect for your water filtration. Now for the clothes, it really just depends on where you're going and what the weather is going to be like. Obviously, if you're going to be by water, you're going to want to take some swim shorts or some swim clothes and then some towels or a towel so that you can dry off. If you're going somewhere cold, you're going to need something warm like this blanket that you'll be able to use, and obviously more layers. For your sleeping situation, you do have some inflatable mats that you can get. These off of Amazon or Big 5, or you can get one of these folded insulated ones that you can get off of REI for about $45. Tarp for your tent, obviously, so that your tent doesn't tear, depending on the type of terrain that you're in. Lighting situation, you want to light up your campsite and you want to be able to charge your phone just in case of emergencies. On backpacks, you want to get a good backpack that fits everything that you need to carry, because you are going to be carrying everything. Now you can start off with one of these Walmart purchased backpacks to start off with, and then eventually upgrade to a Osprey backpack. These are better at distributing the weight and you won't feel it as much. Over onto the sleeping bag, you are also going to be depending on the weather. Toiletries, you want toilet paper just in case you need to use the restroom, toothbrush, toothpaste, and all the other toiletries that you use on a normal basis. You are going to want to get some trekking poles, and it is going to depend on where you're going and if you actually need them.